everyone. My name is Lena Law, the trainer in early childhood education and care at Shafston International College. The content of all the units you'll be studying in the qualification in early childhood education and care are designed to provide students a foundation understanding of child development and knowledge of nurturing young children from birth to 5 years old. Here at Shafston, we have our simulated room that are set up similar to what students would experience when they're out at the vocational placement. Some of the practical experience that we get our students to engage, such as nappy changing, preparing bottles, feeding the babies, settling babies to sleep, administrating medication, and much more. Welcome to Shafston. Study and make friends.